Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to get paid $50 every single hour on Autopilot. This is a new website that is totally free and available worldwide. It is the perfect method to earn passive income while working from home. So make sure to follow the step-by-step tutorial. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Let's go to the website where you can make $50 every hour, since I don't want to make this video too long. The website's name is digistore24.com. To get to their page, type digistore24 into your Google search box and then click this link. If you go to the website without first watching this video, be cautious because this website is a little confusing. There's a strong chance you'll get lost, and if you get lost, you won't be able to earn anything, which is something I don't want to happen to you. So keep an eye out on what I'm going to show you. What is the purpose of Digistore24? It's essentially an online sales platform with a built-in web store, affiliate network, all of the most common payment methods, and accounting automation. You'll get access to a selection of discounts in their marketplace, which you may promote and share with those who purchase your deal. You'll generate money and be able to promote new products over and over again. As a result, this unique strategy's earning potentials is boundless. You may be wondering if there is a cost associated with beginning to advertise offerings. No, signing up for Digistore24 is completely free. You can choose to be paid weekly, bi-monthly, or monthly, and there are no hidden fees or charges. Check out their sign-up page, which can be found here. I'll explain to you how to register correctly on this website later. If you skip any of these, you'll get lost in the sign-up process and won't be able to earn anything. I'll walk you through the entire sign-up process and even show you a live demonstration, since I truly want to make a lot of money with this brand new method. As you can see, here is the entire list of offers available on their website. You'll see as you scroll down that they have a plethora of deals that you may promote. For example, you can see how much money you could make from this product on the right side. And just below that, you can learn more about it. I'll just leave it to you to figure out what went wrong. You will find that there are a host of other offers you can promote if you keep browsing. Some of them pay more, while others pay less. So you must choose carefully which offer to promote. So in a few seconds, I'll show you how to get started promoting these offers and where to market them so you can earn $50 per hour on Autopilot. Now all you have to do is select the drop-down menu that appears by default. The deals are listed in order of their sales rank. We're not searching for it. We're looking for the earnings. To do so, simply click on this one and choose from the drop-down menu to sort by earnings or sale. The list of offers below will change. It will now be organized by earnings, with the highest paying offers at the top. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. As you can see, simply spreading the word about this deal will earn you more than $700. So if we use a calculator to multiply 700 by the number of people that purchased through your offer, say 3, we get roughly $2,100. Consider how much money you can make if more people bought into your creative strategy. You must first sign up in order to start making money from this. This is how you'll be able to create a Digistore24 account. All you have to do is go to the website's homepage and click on this blue button that reads Start Now. Signing up is absolutely free. Simply click on the link to be transported to this website, where you can verify that it is indeed free to register. and then use Digistore24 on the sign-up form, because that's exactly what you'll be doing. you should go ahead and click affiliate right now. You'll be operating as an affiliate and marketing offers. The next step is to put in all of the essential information in the blanks. You must provide a username that contains your affiliate link in this section. They'll choose one for you on their own. You'll be able to utilize your own unique affiliate link once you've established a username. You'll be prompted to provide your email address, password, time zone, and some basic information about yourself when you first start advertising offers. What I like about this is that they welcome people from all over the world, which means that no matter where you are right now, you can start selling deals and earn $50 per hour on complete autopilot. Tell me where you're from in the comment section below, and I'll make more videos for your location in the future. After you finish entering your personal information, check this box and then click the blue Register for Free button to create your own Digistore24 account, where you can start advertising offers and earning money. When you click on Promote Now right here, Digistore24 will send you an affiliate link that you may share with others, and when they click on it, they will be directed to the sales page for whatever product you advertised. You will be able to earn commissions when others purchase this product as well as this one. And if you do it again, you will be able to earn a considerable number of money. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'm going to give you a unique bonus tip that will help you earn double as much as others. To get started, all you have to do is to go to reddit.com. For those unfamiliar with Reddit, it is a social media platform where people may talk about their interests and hobbies. Because a large number of people browse Reddit and contribute various items, this is a good place to promote your link. According to SimilarWeb, this site is visited by over 1.5 billion people on average, which is a significant number of people with whom you can share your link and earn a lot of money. To get started, type "how to make money online" into the search box right here on Reddit and press search. You will now be able to see all of the posts that are related to this query. As you can see, there are a lot of people that are interested in learning more about this topic and seeking solutions. This is an excellent moment to promote your Digistore24 affiliate link and make substantial commissions. But you can just pass over your link without saying anything. You'll need to explain how they can make money with it. The second extra tip I'd like to offer with you is a bonus tip that is just available to you. I've made a template for you to copy and paste into the Reddit post. I'll send you a copy of this template later. As a result, I advise you to keep an eye on things. As you can see, this template resembles a list with a Digistore24 affiliate link beneath each link. Simply replace the URLs with your own and then copy and paste the template into your Reddit posts. So, for example, I'll pick copy after highlighting everything on this page. Then I'll go back to Reddit and look for a thread to post my template in. You can repeat this process as many times as you like, depending on how many deals you want to promote. After that, you may sit back and enjoy your money while you wait for your commissions to arrive. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to get paid $50 every single hour on Autopilot. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next video.